Every cell phone begins with raw materials taken from the earth. The raw materials are refined into pure, usable elements. Tiny computer chips are created inside advanced cleanroom factories. Strong glass and display layers are produced for the phone screen. Rechargeable batteries are built to power the device. Cameras and sensors are carefully assembled. All components are combined into a single device. The operating system and software are installed. Each phone is tested for quality and performance. Finally, the phones are packaged and shipped worldwide.